Hello everyone, today I want to introduce my project called Summary AI. Many people feel confused when choosing wine. There are too many types and flavors. My idea is to using machine learning to help people find wine they will enjoy. So who care about this problem? I think wine buyers and business owners. They want a better choice and better sales. Can machine learning help? Yes, we can have a good data with wine ranking and wine features. It can improve user experience and help business grow. So that is a good opportunity to use machine learning in the smart way and useful way. In this part, we will introduce CRISP. The first is our business understanding. The goal of the Summary AI is to help people find the wine they will enjoy, based on their personal taste. It can make the user happy and help them buy choice, and also for the business owner, if the buyers keep them come back to the app or come back to the website, it brings the better sales. Next, we have a look about our data. The data that we used here is like a user ranking and some wine details like grape type, alcohol level, flavor, and so on. We study how people choose wine, what they like, and how different wines are rated. This helps the machine learning models to learn how kind of the wine to recommend. And now I'm talking about how we prepare the data, build the model. First, we clean the data. That means we fix missing or strange values. Then we change the wine features like favor, tag it into the numbers. Also build the table like show which user rated which wine. This clean and organization the data help the machine learning model learn better. Next, we build the model. We use 3 ways. Cooperative filtering is the learns from what user like and rated. And content-based filtering is look at wine features like grape type and region. And hybrid models is mix both methods to give better recommendations. We test the model use crossing validation to make sure that it works well and give the good results. So, to check if the system works well, we can use some metrics to measure how good the recommendations are, like positions, that show how many of the top K recommendations wine are currently liked by user, and like recall, how many of the wines the user like are found in the top K recommendation. Check through right how often a user click on the recommendations wine. Purchase rate how often user buy the wines are recommended. Diversity and novelty, we check if the recommendations are different and interesting, not always in the same wine. We test this system with 3 ways: offline testing with old data, A/B test with real users, user feedback to improvement the model. It helps us to make sure that system gives smart and useful wine suggestion. Now I talk about how we put the system into real use. We use a cloud system so recommendations works fast and can maybe used by many people at the same time. We update the model regularly, maybe every week, so that will be stay smart and the model learn new informations. So that is help us to fix the problem about data drift or change user behavior. This system is connected to wine apps or online shops, so the user can see the wine suggestions while they browse or shopping. It gives each person a wine list that match their own taste. In this way, Summary AI helps the user find the right wine anywhere on the anytime. The solution validations plan, we use the different filtering, like cooperative filtering or content-based filtering, and also we can combination both of them. How the system is designed. First, we can use the online prediction. That means the system gives the right suggestion right away when the user browsing or searching. It uses the latest user action like ranking or click to make a smart choice. And then we can use two type of features, static features like a detail of rep trip, region, alcohol level, and flavor. The dramatic features, they are user action like recent ranking, browser history, and personal taste change. We use both types because static features help describe why, and dramatic features help understanding what the user like now. And there have some risk for this production, like training theory skill, latency, and data drift. There also can happen that concept drift sometimes, that user like the change over time. Maybe also code start problem is hard to recommend why to the new user or new whys because they are not in the past data. Hope you like this presentation for me and thank you for watching.